कीजिए. Now student, if we want to add sort and we want to do sorting and filtering, so I'm going to explain it with an example, because in my PDF file it's not clear. Don't draw anything on the screen, please, I request. Otherwise, I have to remove from the group. Now, see. So, student, this was the file which we have created earlier. I'm removing these lines. Now, see. Now, I'm going to add few more columns in it. Like the column name is class. And I'm taking Rakesh Kumar, class is 9, Suresh Gupta 10, 9, 9, 10 and 10. So student, in this example, I have taken the class of the different student too, along with English, Math, Hindi, whatsoever marks are given, and percentage too. Now, sorting means arranging data in some specific order, and the order can be ascending or descending. Actually, there are two orders by which we can sort the data, ascending and descending order. And if we want to sort or arrange the data, so at that time we must use this option, sort option, which is given here in editing group of buttons. So suppose that we want to sort records with on the basis of the names of student. So at that time
Good
select
morning, sir.
the text which you want to sort. Good morning. And click on sort and filter, and here comes the option sort A to Z and sort Z to A. Sort A to Z option is used to sort the data in ascending order, and sort Z to A is used to sort data in descending order. So suppose we are clicking, I'm clicking on sort A to Z, and it will display two options, expand the selection and continue with the current selection. So I am selecting expand the selection and plus short button. So here we are getting one error. To do this, all the merged cell need to be of the same size. So actually यहाँ पे ये इसलिए नहीं हो रहा है because we are having a single merged cell here. अगर हम चाहते हैं तो we first need to unmerge it and then we can perform the sorting. So if in your sheet you are having any merged cell, so at that time this option will not work properly. तो जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे इसको unmerge कर दिया. Now I'm selecting it once again and clicking on sort and filter, then A to Z and click on expand selection. Now you can see Mukesh is gone there on the first position, then Rakesh Kumar, then Ramesh Singh, then Suresh Gupta, then Vikrant, and then Vinay. Is it clear to you all students? Please reply me immediately.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, another thing which we can do here is we can also sort it according to the percentage. So at that time, suppose I am selecting these cell, click on sort, and then click smallest to largest, select expand the selection and press sort button. It will sort the data in ascending order of the total marks scored. Alternatively, if we want to do it in we can say in descending order,
Sir.
so at that time once again click on it and select sort largest to smallest. It will sort in descending order. Yes, please ask.
Sir, can it be sorted by ranks?
Can you see rank is given in this table?
No, sir, I'm asking if in case it is given.
So in case if it is given, so you can देखो, if we are having any type of column, any column is there, with some value, we can sort the data according to that particular column. No matter it is rank, no matter it is percentage, no matter whatever we are having, we can sort it according to that column. For
Okay,
example,
sir.
agar we want to add rank to the table, then how we can do this? So if we want to add rank to the table, suppose this is the table which we already have earlier. So to add rank in the table, first sort the data according to highest to lowest, and select expand selection and press sort button. Now you can see the highest value or the highest percentage value will be given on the top, and the lowest one is on the bottom. Now I'm writing 1, 2, 3, and by selecting it, you can drag it to the remaining cell to generate this series. Okay, so this one is first rank student, this is second, this is third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Is it clear, students?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now I'm making the row header as rank. Now, if we want that key rank will also be here, and the data will also be arranged according to the roll numbers. So at that time, select these cell and go to sort and filter and select sort smallest to largest option and select expand selection. You can see it will be placed here. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो स्टूडेंट राकेश कुमार is now roll number 1 is now on the top, then Suresh Gupta, then Mukesh Kumar, then Ramesh Singh, then Vinay, then Vikrant, and the rank will also be given adjacent to the record. So here you can see Rakesh Kumar got third rank, Suresh Gupta got sixth, Mukesh Kumar got fourth rank, Vinay got first rank. And if suppose you want to sort it according to rank, so select it and then go to the sort option and sort it easily. Is it
Sir, can
clear
you
to you
please
all?
show the wrap text? Sir, can you please show the wrap text function?
Wrap text feature. See,
Yes,
suppose
sir.
I'm good. Dekho, suppose I want to type something in this cell. This is cell B11. I want to type something like I want to write the name of your school. So I'm writing Army Public School. Student, please mute yourself. ठीक है. So I'm writing Army Public School Kundraghat in this cell, but आप देख सकते हो it is not fitting in this cell only. ये इस सेल की बाउंड्री से बाहर जा रहा है. और अगर हम यहाँ पे कुछ और टाइप करने लगे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे मैंने दे दिया affiliated to CBSE. तो नाउ यू कैन सी जो इस सेल में वैल्यू थी इसका कुछ पार्ट is not visible. Can you see the remaining part of it? Please reply.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes,
No,
it
sir.
is not visible. So at that time, if we click on wrap text option, which is given in alignment group, so you can see कि जो size थी आपके cell की वो vertically extend हो गई, and now the data which is there is visible. तो दिस इज द यूज ऑफ रैप टेक्स्ट फीचर. रैप टेक्स्ट फीचर क्या करता है, अगर जो डेटा है वो आपकी सेल से ज्यादा हो जाता है, सेल की साइज से ज्यादा हो जाता है, तो हम अगर रैप टेक्स्ट करते हैं तो वर्टिकली इसकी साइज यहाँ पे आप देखो इंक्रीज हो जाती है इस तरीके से, और बाकी जो डेटा है वो उसमें फिट हो जाता है कि कोई भी इसे देख सके इजीली. Is it clear now?
So, sir, it basically increases the width of the cell.
It increases the width of the cell, vertical width of the cell to fit the data into that cell. so that you can see the entire data in a single cell.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Any other? Okay. Any other confusion?
No, sir.
Any? Okay. Chalo, this is known as sorting. Now, student, we can also sort data according to more than one column. So for that, we must use custom sort option. So suppose that we want to sort student according to class and then according to their names. हमें class के according भी sort करना है and then according to name. So at that time we need to click on sort and filter and then go to the custom sort option. In custom sort option, first of all, here we need to select the column on behalf of it we want to sort. So I have selected class and then smallest to largest or largest to smallest. These are the two ways by which we can sort. Smallest to largest, that means A to Z, and largest to smallest, that means Z to A, ascending and descending order. So I have selected the smallest to largest, and if we press OK button, now you can see class 9 student will be given on the top, followed by class 10 student. But alternatively, student, if we want to sort it according to two columns, first on the basis of class, smallest to largest, and then on the basis of names of student. So at that time, first we need to select the first column on behalf of which we want to sort, then select the order, and then click on add level button. When you click on add level button, a new row with then by name is given. Now select the next column on behalf of which you want to further sort data. So I have selected name of the student and then A to Z and press OK button. Now you can see class 9 and 10 are sorted. But इसके अंदर भी आप देखो Rakesh Kumar is now moved at the second position and Mukesh is on the top. Why? Because in English vocabulary, M comes first, then R. तो यहाँ पे देखो दो चीजों के आधार पे शॉर्ट किया हमने, पहले क्लास के आधार पे, फिर नेम के आधार पे. Is there any confusion in this?
No, sir.
So if we want to sort data according to multiple columns, so first of all you need to click on sort and filter, then go to the custom sort, select the class sort criteria, and then click on add level to add a new row, a new criteria to be sorted, and then select the column, and here you can select the order. तो जैसे यहाँ पे अगर हम Z to A select कर लें and if we press OK button, now you can see Ramesh Singh is on the top, Rakesh Kumar and then Mukesh Kumar, और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि ये क्लास 9th है, फिर क्लास 10th है. So student, this is the way by which we can apply sorting to the table. Now next thing is filtering of record. तो स्टूडेंट फिल्टरिंग अगर हमें यूज करना है तो देखो फिल्टरिंग होता क्या है, पहले ये जान लो कि इफ वी आर हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ डेटा, दैट मींस वी आर हैविंग thousands of data and we want to find some record in it, so at that time filtering is a good option. If we want to add filtering to our MS Excel sheet, so first you need to click on sort and filter and then click on this button which is filter button. इसका shortcut भी यहाँ पे दिया है Control plus Shift plus L. You can see here its shortcut is Control plus Shift plus L. If it is not given in your book, you can write down in your book immediately, because you can directly apply filter with the help of this option Control plus Shift plus L and click on filter button. यहाँ पे आप पहले इसको select करेंगे and then click on filter button. Now you can see filter option is applied. Please don't draw anything. Now suppose the student we want to show only class 9 student. ये Learn Gemini कौन है? Who's Learn Gemini? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं हम। देखिए यहाँ पे अगर हम केवल क्लास 9th के स्टूडेंट के रिकॉर्ड को डिस्प्ले करना चाहते हैं, देन वी नीड टू क्लिक ऑन दिस बटन that is given just after the class. When you apply filter student, automatically you can see the drop down arrowhead will be present in every first cell. Click on it, it will show you a list of options. Now click on select all to remove the entire selection, and then select only class 9 and press this button. Now you can see only class 9 student record will be displayed. And when you apply filter on behalf of one column, you can see a small filter button will be given just after the field name. Like here you can see class के just बगल में आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे एक filter बटन लग गया है। ये सिग्निफाई कर रहा है कि ये पर्टिकुलर कॉलम पे हमने फिल्टर को अप्लाई किया हुआ है। नाउ अगर आप फिर दोबारा पूरा डेटा देखना चाहते हैं, देन अगेन क्लिक ऑन इट एंड क्लिक ऑन सेलेक्ट ऑल एंड देन प्रेस ओके बटन. नाउ यू कैन सी ऑल द रिकॉर्ड्स. तो दिस इज द वे बाय विच यू कैन अप्लाई फिल्टर. तो आप यहाँ पे क्लिक करेंगे, आपको जो रिकॉर्ड चाहिए वो रिकॉर्ड आपने सेलेक्ट कर लिया. जैसे मैंने क्लास 10th को सेलेक्ट करना है तो क्लास 9 और ब्लैंक को हटा दिया. ओके हम यहाँ पे करते हैं. आप देखेंगे ओनली क्लास 9 is now represented, and if you want to see all of them, click on select all and press OK button. All records will again be displayed.
Sir,
So this is a simple way by which we can apply filter. Yes, please.
sir, please explain filter once again. Sir, आवाज कट रही थी थोड़ी थोड़ी.
चलो ठीक है, एक बार और दिखा देते हैं. पहले हम क्लियर फिल्टर कर दे रहे हैं. देखिए, this is the table. If you want to apply filter on this table, so select the first row, that is the header row. Go to the sort and filter button and click on filter option which is given here. The filter option can also be applied with the help of this shortcut Control plus Shift plus L. When you apply filter, Himanshu Kumar, please don't draw beta anything on the screen. एंड ये जिसने भी ड्रॉ किया है प्लीज रिमूव इट. हिमांशु कुमार. चलिए ठीक है. तो इस तरीके से हमने यहाँ पे फिल्टर अप्लाई कर लिया. whenever we apply filter, automatically a drop down arrowhead will be placed on the column heading. like you can see क्लास के बाद आप देखो ये स्मॉल arrowhead आ गया. ऐसे इंग्लिश के बाद, हिंदी के बाद, मैथ्स के बाद, इस तरीके से ये जो स्मॉल arrowheads है those are represented here. Now click on this small down arrowhead. It will open you a list of options. Suppose we want to select only class 10 student, then click on select all to deselect everyone and click on 10 only and then press OK button. Only class 10 students record will be displayed. And how we can identify the filter is applied on which column? तो आप बाकी कॉलम्स देखो और ये जो क्लास कॉलम है इसमें अगर आप देखेंगे तो इसका जो डाउन एरोहेड था वहां पे एक स्मॉल फिल्टर का आइकन आ रहा है. दिस सिग्निफाइज दैट कि द फिल्टर इज अप्लाइड. इफ यू अगेन क्लिक ऑन इट एंड क्लिक सेलेक्ट ऑल एंड प्रेस ओके बटन, द टोटल रिकॉर्ड विल बी डिस्प्लेड. इज इट क्लियर टू यू नाउ?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now next thing, if suppose we have applied filter and we are clicking on this percentage column, then other options is also available. like जैसे अभी आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो कि जो भी परसेंटेज थे वो तो यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले हो ही रहे थे. अगर इसी के साथ साथ हम नंबर फिल्टर ऑप्शन सेलेक्ट करें, यहाँ पे अगर आप देखो, इफ यू क्लिक ऑन नंबर फिल्टर तो इट विल डिस्प्ले another pop-up window. It will display another pop-up window which contains other options too. Like you can see equals, does not equal, greater than or equal, less than or equals, between, top 10, above average, below average, etc. तो ऐसे ही अगर सपोज करो कि वी वांट टू सी द रिकॉर्ड ऑफ दोज स्टूडेंट हु स्कोर more than 60% only. So you want to see those students who are getting more than only 60%. So at that time, click on this, click on number filter option and go to the greater or equal. And in greater or equal, type the criteria as 60 and press OK button. Now, अब इस केस में आप देखेंगे कि only those record which qualifies this criteria get displayed. So here we are having only 5 student who's getting more than 60% marks, and that is why only these 5 student record will be displayed. अगर हम इसे दोबारा से हटाना मतलब यूज करना मतलब हटाना चाहते हैं तो इसको सेलेक्ट किया, यहाँ से नंबर फिल्टर पे गए, यहाँ पे गए और यहाँ से आप वैल्यू को रिमूव करके आप ओके भी कर सकते हो। तो भी अब इस केस में आप देखो कोई भी रिकॉर्ड हमारा डिस्प्ले नहीं हो रहा है क्योंकि हमने क्राइटेरिया में कुछ नहीं पास किया है। नाउ इफ वी क्लिक ऑन सॉर्ट एंड फिल्टर अगेन एंड देयर इज एन ऑप्शन क्लियर, इफ वी क्लिक ऑन क्लियर तो all filters that we have applied earlier will got removed. So ऐसे स्टूडेंट हम अगर चाहें कि एक रेंज की वैल्यू देखना, कि अगर मान लो हम देखना चाहते हैं जो 60 to 80% वाले स्टूडेंट हैं जिन्होंने केवल 60 to 80% मार्क्स स्कोर किया, उनके रिकॉर्ड देखना है, अगेन क्लिक ऑन इट, गो टू द नंबर फिल्टर एंड देन सेलेक्ट ऑप्शन बिटवीन, एंड इन बिटवीन is greater than or equals में हम दे देंगे 60 and is less than or equals में हम दे देंगे 80 and press OK button. Now you can observe that those student who's getting 60 marks or percentage between 60 to 80% will got displayed. Vikas Kumar, don't draw anything. Student, this is the last time I am saying please don't draw anything on the screen. From next time onwards, if I see anything on the screen, I immediately, from next class onward, I'm going to immediately remove you from the further class. And I also take action on your class group 2. I'm going to remove you from your class group. So whatever you want, you cannot draw anything on the screen because it make the screen not usable for others. So student, any confusion in this topic?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
So this is how you can sort data and filter data according to your need. So now it's time for your homework. Now you need to create a table in MS Excel by yourself. Take some random data and create a table likewise, which I have already created on the screen. You can take the screenshot of whatever displaying on your screen. Create a table like this, apply sort and filter, and once you finish, please send it to my WhatsApp number before next class. It is clear to you all? Your next
Yes,
class
sir.
is on
Yes,
Thursday.
sir.
So
Yes,
before
sir.
Thursday, please do the practicals by yourself and send the screenshot on my WhatsApp number. Now, so that was the chapter MS Excel 1. Yes, you want to ask something?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please, Jaya.
Sir, do we have to perform all these functions what you told and then we have to send the screenshot to you?
Yes, you can. Whatever I have explained earlier, you can please do the same thing in your computer and then send the screenshot on my WhatsApp number so that I can get to know that at least you all are working on practical, which I have explained to you, because you are going to get 50 marks on behalf of your practicals too. So that is also equally important as the theory portion. So if you want your marks, at that time you need to perform the practicals too. Now student, here
Sir.
comes, the exercise. Yes.
सर आपने सर ड्रॉप डाउन लिस्ट कैसे बनाई थी सर?
कौन सी ड्रॉप डाउन लिस्ट बेटा?
सर वो सर एक बार एक्सेल की वर्कबुक सर एक बार
सर
एक्सेल की वर्कबुक, हाँ ये देखो, बताइए।
सर जहाँ पे सर रोल नंबर के बगल में सर एक ड्रॉप डाउन लिस्ट टाइप सर आ रहा है।
एक्सक्यूज मी सर
First select it, wait 1 minute. I'm to remove the filter, again click on the filter button. So this was the table we are having earlier. Select the first row. Now click on sort and filter
सर ये
button
सॉफ्टवेयर का नाम
and then select filter option. Wait 1 minute and select filter option. When you select filter option, the drop down arrowhead will be automatically placed on the column names. Is it clear to you?
यस सर, थैंक सर।
चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो पूछ रहे थे, प्लीज गो ऑन। Some girl is asking something. Please ask your doubt. Anyone
सर
wants to ask something?
सर ये कौन सा सॉफ्टवेयर
Yes.
है? सर ये कौन सा सॉफ्टवेयर है?
Please first tell your name and then I will answer you. Who's asking this question? Please tell your name, class and section.
Sir, she left the group.
Nistha,
No, sir.
she left the group.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Actually, this is the chapter itself. It is given in your book. We are discussing MS Excel. So the software must be MS Excel only. तो ये जो सॉफ्टवेयर हम यूज कर रहे हैं ये MS Excel है, ये आपके चैप्टर का नाम भी है। आपके पूरे बुक में आपको यहाँ पे MS Word पढ़ना है, Excel पढ़ना है और PowerPoint पढ़ना है। तो all these three chapters are done or practically if you want to do can be done with the help of these three softwares, MS Word, Excel and PowerPoint. अगर आप जो लोग नहीं जानते वो यहाँ पे देख लें कि अगर आप कंप्यूटर में yes
Sir, can you please repeat what practicals we have to do for this month?
what practicals you have to do for this?
Yes, for Excel, which practical we should do?
Whatever I have explained, you have to do all of them, because when we are going to take the practical examination after before the final examination in your school only, so at that time it is going to we are going to ask anything from the Excel or Word or PowerPoint. तो जितना भी मैंने आप लोगों को एक्सप्लेन किया है उसमें से सब कुछ आपके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है. You need to do practicals of each and everything, and if you want to
So, sir,
revise,
for
so wait 1 minute. If you want to revise, so at that time you can refer to the YouTube channel and all the videos are available on school's YouTube channel APS KGT Learning. ठीक है, तो वहां आप जाइए, जितनी भी अभी क्लासेस हो रही हैं उन सबके वीडियोस वहां पे अवेलेबल हैं. आप वहां वीडियोस देखिए, कौन कौन से प्रैक्टिकल्स कराए गए हैं वो सब देखिए, एंड प्लीज डू द सेम थिंग इन योर लैपटॉप, कंप्यूटर, व्हाटएवर. Anything else you want to ask?
Sir, please repeat the link's name.
Is my screen is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
YouTube ओपन करोगे और यहाँ पे टाइप करना APS KGT लर्निंग. तो APS KGT लर्निंग आप जब ओपन करेंगे तो यहाँ पे आपको एक चैनल मिलेगा. Is not visible here.
सर फिल्टर में चैनल लगा दिया।
ठीक है, आई एम displaying my YouTube channel and ये है चैनल, दिस इज द चैनल ऑफ स्कूल, आप टाइप कर लेना डायरेक्टली, ई लर्निंग
E-learning
आर्मी
Army
पब्लिक
Police
स्कूल कुंडा घाट,
School. Okay, sir.
ठीक है। एंड दिस इज द चैनल, इन दिस चैनल आप वीडियोस में जाना और आप देखोगे जितनी भी क्लासेस अभी हुई हैं वो यहाँ पे दी गई हैं, ठीक है।
Okay,
आप
sir.
इनमें से सारी क्लासेस, पावर पॉइंट, एक्सेल, सबकी क्लासेस को आप यहाँ से एक्सेस कर सकते हो, और आज का भी क्लास मैं इस पे अवेलेबल करा दूंगा आफ्टर द डिस्कशन।
Okay, sir.
Any other student who's having any doubt? Okay, then these are the theory questions that you have to solve in your notebook. तो यहाँ पे आप देखिए, there are 5 questions given. First is what are functions? Explain the different parts of function. तो ये दिया हुआ है आपके बुक में, functions को explain कर दीजिएगा. Functions are predefined formula and please explain its different parts. Then question number 2, can we find the average of more than one range of cell? If yes, what will be the structure of such a function? So yes, you can find the average of more than one range of cell, and if you want to find the same, you can give the average function separated by comma. For example, कि अगर हमने यहाँ पे दिखा is equals to average ब्रैकेट में, ये यहाँ से हमने फर्स्ट रेंज सेलेक्ट कर लिया, इतना ये एक रेंज हो गई, कॉमा साइन प्लेस किया, एंड देन वी हैव सेलेक्टेड द सेकंड रेंज एंड देन ब्रैकेट हमने क्लोज किया. यू कैन टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ इट एंड व्हेन वी प्रेस ओके बटन यू विल गेट द एवरेज. और ये जो एवरेज है, इन दिस वी आर एक्सक्लूडिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर रो. तो फॉर दैट आप करेंगे क्या, 2 रेंज देंगे एवरेज फंक्शन में एंड दोस मस्ट बी सेपरेटेड बाय कॉमा. So this is your answer. You can take the screenshot of whatever is displaying on your screen. Now moving forward, the third one is what is the significance of count function? What type of data entries does the count function recognize? तो आपने count function दिया हुआ है आपके बुक में. Please explain that. Count function is used to count the number of occurrence or of entity or entry in your Excel worksheet, and it will identify the numeric values. तो ये आपके second part का आंसर है. Then which logical value are recognized by most of the function? What are the corresponding numeric value of those logical value? It is already given in your book. Please find and write the answer. And finally, fifth question is suggest the Excel function which can be used for the following. First, to calculate the average marks obtained by a student in SA1. तो इसका आंसर होगा average function. To find the highest marks of Hindi, you can use max function. To calculate the quarterly sales of sales executive if the sale data of all months are given. तो आपको यहाँ पे क्या करना है, कैलकुलेट करना है क्वार्टरली सेल एग्जीक्यूटिव का, जहाँ पे सेल डेटा आपको मंथ का दिया हुआ है. तो इसके लिए आप इफ एल्स लगाएंगे और उसके आधार पे आप कैलकुलेशन करेंगे. एंड फाइनली टू फाइंड आउट द मिनिमम कोटेड टेंडर रेट सबमिटेड बाय वेरियस कंपनी यू यूज min function. So these functions you can use to solve these problems. Yes, please.
सर किसी फंक्शन के अंदर फंक्शन को यूज किया जा सकता है?
अभी मैंने जब आपको if else स्टेटमेंट बताया था तो उसमें यूज नहीं किया था मैंने, और जब मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कर रहा था डेट एंड टाइम फंक्शन, वहां पे भी हमने यूज किया था. वी कैन यूज अ फंक्शन विद इन अनदर फंक्शन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जैसे अगर मान लो कि अगर सपोज दैट कि हमको क्या करना है कि इन सारे मार्क्स का एवरेज निकालना है. ठीक है, अब ऐसे समझो कि हम यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं इज इक्वल्स टू एवरेज ब्रैकेट, और ये एक रेंज ऑफ सेल हमने यहाँ पे दे दिया. तो ये इसका एवरेज निकालना है. लेकिन अगर हम इसको यहाँ पे ड्रैग कर दे तो इसका एवरेज निकालना है. ठीक है, ये समझ रहे हो कि इन दिस सेल वी आर फाइंडिंग एवरेज ऑफ these values, and in this cell we are finding average of these values, these set of values. Now if alternatively we write average bracket average and then another bracket, and these values, comma, average in bracket these values, we are going to get 59.4167. तो इस तरीके से भी आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे हमने इसको भी कंसीडर किया, इसीलिए ये थोड़ा सा अप हो जा रहा है. एंड हियर आल्सो दिस वन, एंड दिस इज इक्विवेलेंट टू कि अगर हम लिखें एवरेज ब्रैकेट में these वन, तो आप देखेंगे कि ये दोनों वैल्यू क्या है, सेम है. इसमें इस वाले फॉर्मूले में हमने क्या किया है, पहले इसका अलग एवरेज निकाला, इसका अलग एवरेज निकाला, और फिर इन दोनों का एवरेज हमने यहाँ कैलकुलेट किया. एंड इस वाले फंक्शन में हमने क्या किया, एवरेज के अंदर हमने दो एवरेज फंक्शंस यूज किया है. दीज आर वर्किंग एब्सोल्युटली फिट एंड फाइन. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's all for today's class, student. Please complete the exercise of this chapter 2 in your notebook, and then from next class we will start MS Excel 2010 part 2. That is your last lesson according to your syllabus. Thank you. I'm closing the conversation now.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Good
Thank
afternoon,
you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.